Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. So this is a dual zone air fryer. It means that you can cook something on this side and something else on that side, different times, different types of cooking options, and you could have them finish at the same time if you'd like. Now, this is going to be a quick overview. There are so many features in this that if you really need the content, you can check it out on other YouTube channels or check out Ninja's channel. But you could do a video on each one of these functions. You could do videos on all the recipes. So if you guys have any comments or questions about this, feel free to post them below and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Also, if you guys are watching this and you have an air fryer and you use air fryers, share your recipes below. Share your tips below. Comment on there with some great foods that you've used this air fryer for and how you do it. That would be much appreciated for myself and also anyone else who's watching this video and looking at the comments on how to do certain features. Maybe they want to try to use the match cook or smart finish or different things like recipes on how to air fry or roast or reheat all at the same time. Share your insight, share your wisdom down below in the comments and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay tuned to future updates and videos on this channel. So here we go. We got the air fryer out of the box. It looks great. You can check out an unboxing video up here on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel, so feel free to watch that. Follow that channel as well. But the first thing you want to do is make sure that you wash the baskets. So you can wash them in the top rack of the dishwasher only, or with some hot soapy water, clean them, dry them, and they are ready to go. In addition, when you get ready to use the air fryer, make sure you have 6 inches of space on all sides, so that's important. The unit itself can sit on a countertop, no problem. I've got it on a stove just to show you guys because it's a nice space for the video. This top is plastic, so when you pull this out, this is going to be hot because remember it just came out of this air fryer. This is an oven. So don't get careless and set it up here and then melt this, or don't get careless and set it on your countertop and melt it. You know, be smart, set it on top of the stove or on a cutting board or something like that so that it doesn't ruin your kitchen. Now, let's get into how the unit works. So, bear with me, I'm going to turn it on. There's going to be some noise coming up, but first, before I do that, I'm going to explain things. That way you have an idea of how they work, then I'll turn it on and you can see how the buttons work. So, for starters, let's say we power it on. The only thing that's going to happen when you power it on is one zone, zone 1, will turn on. So this way, if you're cooking one thing, you can just hit like air fry. It automatically defaults to a temperature. You can adjust the time if you want right here. You can adjust the temperature if you want right there. But let's just say you're going default, turn it on, air fry, start, boom, it's ready to go. Now, how do you know what temperature or how long you want to do things? Well, there are some stickers here and some stickers there for smart finish and match cook that you can use. Otherwise, in the manual, there is an entire section, air fry cooking chart with all kinds of foods, times, preparations, what to do. Air fry cooking chart continued, just keeps going, dehydrating. So dual zone technology, how to do it. Great information in here, and then a bunch of recipes that you can use for air frying. So check out that quick start guide. It is very handy and there's a lot of great information in there. So now you've got this one running. Let's say you want to get zone number 2 going. What do you do while this is running? Hit the 2 button. Then you can choose what you want to do. Maybe it's reheat because you've already got your French fries going and now you've got a leftover cheeseburger or something you want to reheat. Reheat, everything's default. You just hit start, pause. Now you're ready to go. Now let's say that you say, oh, I got to shake my fries because halfway through cooking you need to shake them up and make sure they move. Can you just open this up and shake them? You could, but the air fryer is still going to be going, so that air will be blowing out hot air. Probably not a good thing. So what you do is you hit the 1 button and then hit pause, open it up, shake the fries, put it back in, hit the 1 button. Unless it's still flashing, then you could just hit start, but hit the button, hit start, and it resumes. So let's show you how that goes. The other thing you could, one more thing that I want to mention is that if you have both zones running and let's say, oh, this one's done, but this one isn't. How do I stop this and end it while this is running? Because maybe you got something in here that's going to take half hour and this only takes 10 minutes, and you want to get your second food or your third food going in here. So what you'd want to do is hit the 1 button. Then you can put the timer down all the way to 0. This will end. You can remove this food. Then if you want to put something else in there, go ahead, hit the 1 button, whatever you're doing, and then continue it while this keeps going. So I'm going to demonstrate all of this right now. It's going to turn on. It's going to be a little louder. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to place them below. Also, I highly encourage you, come on, read the manual. I know people don't like reading. That's probably why you're watching this video, but it will help you, and it's going to answer a lot of your questions that I wasn't able to answer in this video, because let's face it, I'm not going to do an hour-long video for you guys to try to figure all this out. Just watch this, get the overview, check out the manual, get the recipes, do some trial and error, figure out how to use it, and go from there. And also, share your knowledge below. Comment below with some great recipes, with any tips and tricks you have, with anything in this video that I might have missed that you think would be valuable information. That would be much appreciated. So here we go. We're going to turn it on. You can see zone 1 started up, just like I said. So now 1, we can choose what we want to do. So let's say we want to do an air fry here. Default temperature is 390. If you want to adjust it, you can adjust it however you like. It's funny that it just drops to 375, so it's like 75, 90, but then 400. So it's kind of popular temperatures. Let's say we're good with that. We want to adjust the time, 20 minutes, 21. We'll just go 15 minutes. Then we can hit start. All right, now it'll start getting louder. So let's say we've got French fries in here, 15 minutes. It's going. Now over here I want to put a hamburger or a steak or something. Time is going to depend on what you want to do. So let's hit number 2, and then we can choose. What are we doing? Well, if I've already cooked something, maybe I just want to reheat it. That's going to be 350. How long? 15 minutes. Okay, well, let's say it only needs 10. All right, now I hit start. So this is going, and it's working well. Let's say all of a sudden this is down to 5 minutes. Oh, my burger is done. My fries are still going. How do I stop the burger? Because I still have 5 minutes on the fries and I want to throw in something else. Maybe you want to reheat a piece of chicken or whatever. So we'll hit number 2. Drop the time down to 0. Wait. This should turn cool. So now that's done. So we can pull this out. We can shake it out, dump it out, whatever. Put in my piece of chicken, put that in. Let's say I want to start something, so I'm going to hit 2. What am I doing? I'm going to reheat again, start it, let's go. Fries, maybe they're halfway done now. What am I going to do? Hit the number 1, hit the pause button. Now I can open this safely, give the fries a shake, put them back in. 1 is still blinking, so I could hit continue. Or I could press 1 again to make sure. Start. There we go. This is still going. It's good. There we are. Everything is working properly. Let's say I want to check on this. Number 2, pause. Check on it. Oh, looks good. Number 2, continue. Let it keep going. So this is it. It's very, very simple. It's very, very easy. Pretty self-explanatory. Hit the buttons. Start. Stop. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will do my best to help you out. You can use also the Smart Finish and the Match Cook Smart Finish mode. 2 different foods, 2 different ways, finished at the same time. Follow the instructions here and refer to the Quick Start Guide for more cook times, and the Match Cook right there, instructions. Very simple. You can just read those and then hit the buttons and do it yourself. But what I went over in this video is kind of the basics and the main things. Let's pause this while I finish up. If you want to hit pause, there we go. Or if we want to just turn it all off. That one didn't pause. There we go. There we go. No, look at that. What's going on? Pause. Can we pause this one at the same time? There. Now they are both paused. Let's say I'm done, they're cooked, I can just turn it right off. No big deal. So that was an overview of how to use the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. Again, please hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon to stay tuned to future videos. And I really look forward to reading your comments, your tips, your tricks, your recipes on how you like and enjoy your air fried food, roasted, reheated, and dehydrated, because I'm really excited to use this and to start cooking with it. So share any recipes or ideas you have in the comments below. Thank you.